apparently some of y'all don't believe me that this only takes 10 minutes for me to straighten using my Time-O comb. So today, we're gonna do it in real time, and I'm gonna show you guys that it takes under 10 minutes to straighten this. We've got 10 minutes on the clock. Sip of coffee, let's get into it. Actually, we have a little bit less than 10 minutes because I had to do an intro here, but you get the point. So, first I'm gonna start off how I always start. I like to part my hair into 3, so I take the top layer and I put it up top, and then I take the 2 bottom pieces and I will put them to each side. So I always start off, I'm a creature of habit, I always start on my left side. So I'm going to start with the piece in the back. Oh, I didn't get it. Okay, let's go. My hair, I washed it last night and I let it air dry overnight. Okay. Now I'm going to grab another piece. Make sure that it's brushed. And actually what's so funny is I've actually been telling you guys for like, honestly a year now, on and off, that I want to dye my hair dark brown. And tonight is the night. Well, not exactly. Tonight is my hair appointment. And my hairdresser texted me last night and she's like, I need to prepare. Like, what are we doing to your hair tomorrow? And I was like, I think we're just going to continue doing what we've been doing the past few years. And she mentioned that I could do like, is it low lights? Basically just kind of like add a little bit of more brown back into my hair, but still keep like a lot of the blonde there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I need to decide soon because my appointment is in a few hours. So that's fun. Anywho, this comb has really helped me cut out styling time. Like normally when I do my hair, like if I straighten it with like a traditional hair iron, it takes me about 30 minutes to straighten my hair. And then obviously, I mean the whole point of this video is that it takes me under 30 minutes. Or I'm sorry, it takes me under 10 minutes. Okay, and that side's done. Pop it on that side. Now I'm gonna give this side a little brush. And what I also love about this is that it doesn't really feel super, super hot. And so I'm able to like get those little baby hairs that I have. Which, what's so funny is the other day, I forget who I was talking to. And they were like, oh yeah, like you have a lot of breakage, like right in the front, like these pieces. Because they were sticking out. And I was like, that's not breakage, those are baby hairs. And I had to pull up some pictures because I lost so much hair after I had my daughter. I lost so much hair and I actually kind of forgot. And then last night I was like looking through some pictures. I should totally like make a video about that. I lost so much hair after I had my daughter. Apparently it's very common though. But anyway, as you can see, it is filling in. And my hairdresser will like put some coloring in it to try and help it like blend in. But anyway, the only thing about doing this in real time with y'all is that y'all have to sit and watch me. Well, maybe not. Maybe some of you guys are just going to fast forward through to see if I can do it. But I have to talk now for 10 minutes straight. And I'm not cutting it. So maybe I should sing to you guys. I'm not going to do that. I'm definitely not going to do that. Oh, and also, too, I do have 2. Normally, I've been using the black one, but I got a pink one, too. Why do I have 2? Because I love it that much. You don't need 2. You only need 1. But I wanted a backup, you know. Because I love it so much. Okay. The bottom skirt of my hair is done. So now, apologies if you can't see me while I'm doing this, because it's probably going to be in my face. So you might not be able to see my face very well during this part, but I've got the top portion and I'm going to section it off into 2. And we are just at 5 minutes and I'm almost done. So I'm thinking this is actually going to be less than 10 minutes. Well, let's leave some time for touch-ups. I think I already mentioned it, but it takes me about 30 minutes to use a traditional straightener. So, and I think it's because of like the way that this one is, because it's essentially a comb, and I will like, so your hair like gets heat all around instead of just like when you go like this. Forget what else I was just gonna say. This isn't what I was gonna say, but a lot of people have commented and messaged me and asked me if I use any product in my hair. Sorry, y'all really can't see me right now. A bunch of y'all asked if I use like any product in my hair, and I don't. The only thing that I use, I think it's Pantene. That's the shampoo that I use, and it's just like the smooth one. So I think it's just like their regular shampoo. That's the only thing I really use. If I wear my hair curly, like sometimes I'll add in like, I don't know, like some mousse or something, but obviously I don't do that when it's straight. Also, yes, that is Johnny Depp on my sweatshirt. Okay. Now I'm going to bring all of my hair forward. Ooh, I almost dropped the iron. Okay. Oh, I remember what I was going to say. So, normally, we're only at 7 minutes here, but I'm just going to do some touch-ups, but it's, I mean, like, I would go out like this. But, when I would use, like, a regular straightener, I would always, like, have the straightener, and then I would, like, add, like, a brush with it. Like, that's just how my hair straightens best. And so I would need 2 hands to, like, be, like, you know, brushing it out. Obviously with this, because it's essentially a brush, it's a comb, you don't need to, like, be brushing it as you know, straighten it. But also another thing is that I have tried so many different heating brushes over the years that weren't, like, so this is like a comb, I think that's why this one works so well. The heating brushes that I have tried over the years, literally none of them have worked. Absolutely none of them. I did not have high hopes when I bought this. But I have been more than pleasantly surprised. Okay. That side is essentially done, so now touch up on this side. I didn't even get any hair on that. Oh no, I have to sneeze, and because we're in real time, you guys are gonna see it. How embarrassing. Okay, so that is, and this is all of my hair too, there's nothing behind me. That is it. Like, I absolutely love this. I mean, obviously you could add in, I mean, because people were asking if I added product, you could totally add in any product if you like, or if you normally do. But for me, this is perfect. This is all that I do. And we're not even at 10 minutes yet. I did this in under 10 minutes. So that is that. This was a TikTok find, as you guys know. So I will link the Time Oak Home down below in the TikTok shop. I think it's on sale right now. And I know that it's in stock right now because it was sold out for a while. So if you guys want this or you want to get it for someone, this is your last chance before Christmas. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.